Okay, so now you've done assignment 1, we're going to move on to assignment 2. So assignment 2 is effectively creating an EPOS system. So you've got quite a few pass criterias, you've got a couple of merit, and you've got a distinction. So you're going to design an event-driven application to meet defined requirements. You're going to implement a working event-driven application to meet defined requirements. You're going to test an event-driven application. You're going to create an on-screen help to assist the users of the computer program. You're going to give, well, some of you are going to give reasons for the tools and techniques used in the production of the event-driven application. Some of you are going to analyse the actual test results against the discrepancies, and you're going to create technical documentation to for the support and maintenance of a computer program. And finally, if you did get distinction in assignment 1, you're going to evaluate an event-driven application. It sounds a lot more work than it is. So P3, we're actually not going to touch yet. We're going to start straight at P4, so we're going to make it, get it done. Okay, so we're going to work backwards. So we're going to create the program first, and then actually start doing the design stuff after. It's easier that way. So to help you out, I've given you a scenario which actually has all the stuff in it that you need to be creating. So this is kind of like your specification. So the first thing is you are working as a junior software engineer for Software Solutions, a company based in Wakefield, to make electronic point of sale systems, so EPOS, for local businesses. Your managers have asked you to demonstrate the event-driven programming skills by designing and creating an EPOS system. So you're going to be making it for Bob's Eatery, completely made up. So here's your specifications. So this is everything you must do, okay? So specific minimum requirements. So the program should open with a login form, and it should ask the user to enter in their details before the main menu form appears. The EPOS system must check if the credentials are correct. If the credentials are correct, the main menu opens. If they're wrong, then they've got to re-enter the username and password. The EPOS system must be for an install collect only, so no delivery. The design, so you can't offer delivery service at the moment. Bob's Eatery does offer a 10% student discount as well as a 25% discount, but you can only put one discount per order. So if you've already got a staff discount on, then you can't use student as well. So basically you can have 10% off or 25% off. You can't have 35% off. Bob's Eatery would like to have a total price and the amount of tax added and the price before tax displayed to the customer. Bob's Eatery have supplied you with a menu to identify the prices of the items. I'll show you that in a second. Bob's Eatery also offer deals on food. So these should be, and there will be when you get them, optional. So these are things you can do if you want to do them, but they're not actually necessary. There we go. Also offer deals on food, drinks to customer. These can also be found on the menu. The company would like you to also display the amount of money saved for each customer. Bob's Eatery would also like to know how much money has been made since the user logged into the system. And then this one isn't optional, this one's kind of like overall. Bob's Eatery has asked if you can ask them, I've agreed that you can ask them any questions about additional features you think they may have or that you want to add that you think is useful. So here is the actual thing, it should be up here. It's not going to do it, is it? No, it never does. So this is your menu. So you've got kind of everything on there. So you zoom in, we've got pizzas, we've got a list of pizzas, we've got the prices, sides, we've got a list of sides, pizzas, prices, you got desserts with the price, you got drinks with the price, here's your deals for your optional, okay, here's your burgers, and here's your delivery, you're open 10 till 12. Okay, so that is what you're creating. So that's your overview to assignment 2. Okay, so in the next video we're going to actually start making it. So I'm not going to do every single button. I'm going to show you the basis of making it. So the very, very brief steps. So how to make it for like maybe 3 or 4 buttons. And then you're going to continue. I'll tell you how to do it. But you're going to make the rest of it. Okay, so that's the next video.